What's up guys, Rodrigo here, welcome back to one more video. Today we have a very important video because as you can see, we are on the verge of a breakout. We are right now, as I speak, retesting the level of this very important resistance here that is rejecting us since April. Breaking this level here to the upside would signal to us that trend shift. We would put an end on all this bearishness that we are seeing here since April on the price section, and we would be free to go higher here and hit our targets. So make sure not to lose these important informations and watch this video until the end. Guys, of course, don't forget to sign up to Bybit, clicking the link down below that you're going to find on the description of this video. The first link is my #1 exchange, Bybit, the one that I most like and the one that I most trade in. And they are giving to you up to $30,000 bonus if you sign up using this link. If you don't like KYC, I understand you. You can click on the second link on the description and you are going to have access to Bitflex, which requires no KYC. So let's finally go to the charts here, and you can see that we are pumping as we speak. We are right now at $27,230. But of course, guys, this is not a confirmed breakout yet. As you can see previously, we had the same type of movement. We had the tip of the week above the level of the resistance, but we didn't manage to close any candle above. The same, of course, could happen to us right here. Of course, the highest probability here is that we are definitely going to break this to the upside. But guys, don't be surprised if we start to see some rejection here, some close below, and some movements to the downside like this, just to grab some more momentum, some more strength before we finally break this to the upside. Because as you know, this is a bullish pattern, usually breaks to the upside, and plus the fact that we had a fake out to the downside here, guys. When we see this kind of fake outs, it increases the probability of breaking to the other side. You have to pay attention here that we are not facing only the resistance of the falling wedge, but we are also facing this level right here, which we were rejected from sometimes. Right here, 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 once more here. So this is also a very important level of resistance, and we are right now testing both level of resistance at the same time. Guys, I bought some bitcoins here. I add some bitcoins to my portfolio at those levels right there, and I am also going to buy some bitcoins right here. I have some USDT, but of course understanding that we can still go lower here, and this wouldn't matter because I'm not doing a trade with this money. I'm just buying to the long term, to the long perspective. But if you want to talk about some trades, okay, let's go. Let's talk about some trades. Now I'm about to tell you what I am personally going to do here if we start to close some candles above this level right here. And guys, of course, don't forget that I'm not your financial advisor. So do your own research, do your own technical analysis, and have your own strategies. I'm here only for educational purposes, okay? And we are still going up here. So let me tell you, if we start closing some candles here above this level, I personally am not going to add a long position yet. Why? Because we are in a massive leg up already. We went almost straight to the upside, and you know already that it is very healthy for the market to have some corrections in between the bull rallies. So I won't be adding any trades at this point because we could be forming a top right there. I rather wait to see some corrections and even the retest of this zone here of the previous resistance, and then from there I would go heavily into the market. Because guys, that's how the market goes. Even in a bull run, we see some corrections and some movements to the downside here, just to form some higher lows. We don't want to long at the top. Even though we know the highest probability is to go to the upside, we don't want to open a long position right here, especially if you are trading with high leverage. It's easy to understand that the best place to add some long positions would be at the bottom. The tricky part here is that we never know where is going to be actually our top. because we can come all the way up to this level right here, and then from here start a corrective movement. And that's what trade is all about. You have to take risks, right? And I am risking losing some pumpy action here in order to get a better entry point, because I want to go aggressive and trade this movement with high leverage. So there is a huge difference of getting into this position right here and right here. As you can see, 4%. But if you're not aggressive as I am and you want to make a more conservative type of trade, yes guys, of course you can get into some long position at these levels right here, because even if we come to retest this previous level of resistance right here of the falling wedge, you are going to be only 3% down, and you can handle that, right? Because you have no leverage or small leverage. And there is one more strategy here that I wanted to show you today before we finish this video, and this strategy suits you that are not that aggressive and not that conservative. You understand that it's better to open some long position here at the retest once we have some type of correction, but you don't want to miss the leg up if we don't manage to come here before we go. And this strategy would be to divide your long position into two different long positions. So you would find a ratio, for example, 30-70, let's say 30-70, but you could do 40-60 as well, as you wish. And you would enter at those levels right here. I'm not saying specifically right now, but at these levels with 30%, for example, 30% of the money that you are willing to trade, and leave the other 70% here to add to your position once we come to retest these levels. 30% with lower average, 70% in a better entry place with higher leverage. This one is a good strategy because if we do not come to retest these levels, you didn't miss the whole movement to the upside here. You were in with 30% of your capital, of your money, and you would not be risking to lose all this movement to the upside. And guys, last but not the least, you can see that we are still having some descending volume right here. We didn't see no spike. We are breaking to the upside. This very important pattern, this very important level of resistance, but we are not seeing nothing on the volume right here. And as you know already, this is a red flag. So I have to repeat to you guys, I am not adding no long position right here. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for being here with me until the end. If you like this content, smash this like button. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe, hit the bell, and I see you in the next time. Stay focused.